Hello guys, hello fellow traders, hello. So we are starting our session for today. So tell me, how are you doing today? If you can hear me, if you can see me, leave a little plus in the chat. So for now, I'm gonna get ready and look at the currency pairs for today. And by the way, we have 10,500 on the balance. We had $109 in plus yesterday and got them off the balance today. So we're starting fresh, and I actually already see something interesting. Oh, that's an interesting start. From this level, the price jumped upwards, obviously, and here probably we will get an entry point. So let me look at the chat. Leave a comment if you can hear me and see me while I'm waiting for your messages. And as always, tell me where you're from, where do you watch all of those videos. So now let's get to our first deal, and the amount of money I'm using is going to be $50, 3-minute expiration time as always. And for now, not quite clear. I don't quite see anything interesting. What about this, though? Everything is so interesting today. That's a good start. Right here, potentially we had a demand zone. Let's put a rectangle, a little rectangle. From this red candlestick, we had, whoopsie, we had growth, impulse growth of the price. From here, the price shoot upwards, and then it actually went back to this level, and there is a probability that we are gonna get another jump. It's too early for now to know, but let's put a little notification if the price right here is gonna break through it, then we will get an entry point. So let's move on for something else. And here is the same situation. We have double top, price broke through, so gee, is it gonna be a dynamic, fun session today? Ooh. For now, it looks that way. Everything looks quite interesting. I like it. It's a good start. And this is probably going to be the first entry point for today. What do you think? What do you think? I'm gonna enter into a deal here. So we see the currency pair Euro British Pound, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used from my accounts for an upward trend. What do we see here? We see that the price was moving in an uptrend, after which we had pushing to the same level. We have equal highs and broke through that level, and right now it is back to that level. So we have a retest, and from this retest we entered into a deal for an upward trend, and let's see what's gonna happen. And we have 3 minutes, so let's look at the chart. Hey Alice, hey Best, how you doing? Chris Bauer, hi. Tatiana, hello. Dorney, hello from Kenya. Hello to you too. Hello to everyone today. Hopefully today's session is going to be much more fun than yesterday's, because yesterday we had a real bad situation on the market, so many consolidations. And this one, almost a minute have passed on the first deal, and it looked much better than it is looking right now, to be quite honest with you. But let's hope. Cross your fingers for me, because it's dancing around or quite close to the level, but we still have a minute and a half. So let's get back to the previous one. What's going on here? Here we see that the price is still at the same level, so let's get a little notification if we're gonna get a jump through over that level. USD GPY, ooh, and this level is broken through, and I think probably we will enter into a deal for a downward trend. But before that, let's wait for the first deal to be closed on Euro and British Pound. For now, it looks great. And again, we have a little more time. So tell me, how are you doing? How's the day going? Let's see, what's the chat? dang, I'm late. No, Tani, you're not late. We just started. So you are here for the fun. Cindy, hey from South Africa. Hello, hello. How are you doing? I was actually thinking recently to go to South Africa because I have some friends there, and that's exciting. In any case, the price shouldn't drop. You need to fucking grow. You little doozle. So we have 20 seconds left, and I hope that this price is gonna go upwards. Thank you. Go even higher. You need to go higher because this is the first deal of the day. Little bitch, don't do that to me. Grow even higher. 2 seconds left, 1 second left, and this deal is closed in black. The first one is closed in black. This is amazing. And now quickly we're moving to the previous one, USD GPY, and we're entering into a deal for a downward trend. So second deal, USD GPY 3-minute expiration time using $50 for a downtrend. We have a global downtrend right here. Price found the supply zone, jumped upwards, and slowly went downwards, and we're gonna get to Euro GPY right now. And breaking through this zone, it actually reached that level, danced around a little bit, and now we're expecting the price to drop even lower. But for now, Euro GPY got us a notification. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh, after this candlestick is closed, yep, we are doing the third deal for today, and we are gonna see what's gonna happen. So USD GPY, 3-minute expiration time for $50 going upwards. So let's get back to USD GPY. Oh, the second one, Euro GPY. Sorry if I said USD GPY. Oopsie doopsie. And let's see what we have in the chat. Oh, so many messages. Tatiana, why don't you use AI to trade? Maybe next time in stream. I still haven't found a good AI to be good enough to work with trading. I know that a lot of traders do that, but at least at this point, I'm not interested in that. It is interesting. In future, I think we will get to that, but for now, it's a pass for me. It's a pass for me. Cindy. No, now we're too hot. Yeah, I know. Hey, Danny. Hello, best. Hit the like button on stream 3 times right away. Oh, thank you, darling. Why 3 minutes? So that, I mean, because that's my personal preference. I'm comfortable to work with 3-minute expiration time, and that's just how I do it. And also because I'm working with 1-minute time frame, it's more comfortable for me to work with 3-minute expiration time. And for now, the price is still dancing around, and I need it to fall. You need to fall. We have 30 seconds left. Drop it. Drop that shit. Drop it, please. Please, just, oh my god. Guys, those little freakers, We don't have any logical decision for the price to do that and grow. No logical reason. And we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Lost the money. You closed the deal on USD GPY. Now we're waiting for the retest. We're waiting for the price to reach this level again. And if it's gonna drop from that, then we will enter with the retest. And with Euro GPY, some stupidity is going on. The hell? We started so fun, so great. The fuck is going on here? 20 seconds left. So right here, we have like a retest probably here. But why? Why? Why you do that? I don't like it. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, closed, and we lost the money. Votex still doesn't give me the reaction to that. But we are gonna get ready for the Martingale. I would even say we're gonna cover two of them right away, so we're gonna use $200. Anywho, use the GPY. Again, like, see? The hell? I opened the market, and now it's doing this shit. What? Why? And for what reason? So this one is going downwards. We entered into a deal for a downward trend, but I guess a bit too early in that situation. I don't understand. I wanted to go a little back, so I would enter into a deal for a downward trend again. Let's risk it for the biscuit. So we are entering into a deal a bit lower than I would like to, but in general, USD GPY 3-minute expiration time, $200 with another step of Martingale. And let's see the chat. What are you talking about, guys? Why 3-minute expiration time? I already explained it, because I am used to doing that. It's comfortable for me to analyze the chart on 3-minute expiration time, and that's how I work. If you are more comfortable to work with 1 minute, you can work with 1 minute. It's completely fine, but in that case, you should have a lower time frame. I have 1 minute time frame, so each candlestick shows 1 minute and 3-minute expiration time. If you have like 1 minute expiration time, you need like 15 seconds of candlesticks. Manfa says hello to you too. Why not make a prediction for one candle? Oh, it's the same question about expiration time, and I already answered that. Why Martingale asked best? Because this is how I work with streams. I want to open as many deals as possible, and that's why I'm trying to open more risky deals, and that's why I start with lower balance, lower amount of money that I use for my balance, and be able to open more deals. Because if I would trade how I usually trade, that wouldn't be as interesting to watch, because I'm gonna use a lot of money and it's gonna be too risky. And what the fuck is going on the chart? The hell are you doing? USD GPY. I think it's just because of Japanese yen. We're entering into the most awful places, but let's wait and see. Here the price actually went back to the level. Not interesting. Let's move on to something else. Maybe we'll find something more usable. Let's say that way. Nothing interesting here. What about here? GBP, AUD, nothing. USD, CAD. Quite a fast drop of the price. Theoretically, price is gonna do the return on that level, but I'm gonna enter into a deal only if the price is gonna actually react to this level. Not the most visually best level, but potentially we can even make it bigger. Yeah, like something like that. Yoink. So with this red candlestick, we see the growth. Oh, and the deal is closed in red with USD GPY. What was buying? It was $200, and the price still is trying to drop, but not dropping. What the are you doing? Okay, next step of Martingale, $400. I don't understand what she's doing here. So this currency pair is going to be out of my reach. We need to loosen up and go away from this situation. Maybe like in 10 minutes we're going to come back and find something better. And with Euro GPY, we also see the situation is not really logical. We have sort of a triangle. Let me show you. We're gonna add a trend line on the chart. You know, this freaking thing. Go away. Fucking hate it. Anywho, so that's how it looks right now. So we see that here we have a triangle pattern, and I will even make the resistance even smaller, like this. Yeah. So probably we will enter into a deal for a downward trend, probably. But we will see if the price breaks through the resistance. I tried to enter a deal according to the triangle, but I think probably we need to find another entry point. So for now, let's move on. And by the way, tell me, are you working with me today? If you are trading with me, alongside with me, using same steps and same trades that I'm doing, tell me about it in the chat if you are doing that. So here we see that the prices actually didn't reach the level, so we need to wait, I guess, but maybe it went through from this level, like a bit higher. What if we do it like that? General, we see that it kind of did, but I don't trust it. If we enter into a deal on this currency pair, I still want to wait until the price reaches that level. So Euro GPY, and the price didn't go through the triangle just yet. It's still dancing around in the same direction. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, nothing here. You're GBP. What are you doing here? So it broke through the level, but I'm not sure about the second one. Let me put a little bing, 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 boing. Just a horizontal line, that's gonna be enough. Oh, I put two of them. Whoopsies. Didn't see the yellow one. So if we break through this level, then probably we're gonna enter into a deal for a downward trend. The yellow one. Get away. The fuck? So if we break that level with the price, then we will enter into a deal for a downtrend according to the downtrend. But uncertain about that, at least now. USD CAD. The price is actually kind of getting close to that level. Let's put a little notification here so that when the price reaches it, we would be notified, obviously. Here it looks like it's supposed to be breaking through, but for now I'm kind of a bit scared. So what about other currency pairs? Maybe at some point we'll find something. We have a good downtrend and some weird shit going on. Kind of like a resistance zone, let me put it, so you can visually see it as always. From this point, the price jumped. Yoink, too slim, yep. And of course, we have an obvious structure of a downtrend, and that would be interesting to open a deal for a downward trend, but not enough confirmation. And as you know, I need at least a couple of them. GBP USD, from the resistance level, we have some jumps, but nothing super obvious. GBP, GPY, nothing interesting. AUD, CHF. What about that? Some interesting things, but not for now. It's a bit of a tough what the fuck situation. Sorry. Just open this chart and I'm a bit surprised. So in general, we have certain resistance zone from which the price dropped, and the support line is quite close, so this is not safe. This is not safe for us. AUD, CAD, nothing interesting. GBP, CHF. The price actually went back to this level of support, which now could work as a resistance. So let's put it visually. So from this level, price reacted. Maybe it's going to react again, but for now, that's not certain. I'm uncertain about that. GBP CAD. Oh, I think we did it on the previous stream, that level. It's from yesterday. So for now, we are waiting. So the price actually went down. So we are going to enter into a deal. Euro GPY, we have 3-minute expiration time for $100 using for a downward trend. We see our resistance, which, if I understand correctly, this level was actually a resistance. Now it's a support 3 times. And now it's actually having a trend line at the same time. So we have a triangle structure. And in this place, there is a breakthrough of a triangle. And from here, we are expecting the price to drop even lower. We have 3 minutes. So let's look in the chat. Also, many messages. Kawaii, hello, hello. Hello, sweetheart. GBP USD, put 3 minute. GBP USD. GBP USD, give me 1 second. I hope I'm not too late. This one. Huh? Are you sure about that? So let's talk about it. Right here, we could actually enter into a deal for a downward trend. Let's put my favorite. Oh, this little thing. So we have an obvious resistance level. Somewhere here. Yeah, I like it like that. Like so. And the price actually reached that level. So let's put a notification at first. And if the price is gonna drop, that's gonna be interesting. Thank you so much. Next one. Alan Glenn. Hello, Alice. I'm here again to gain knowledge about binary, and I'm doing tracing also as well. Hello, hello. I hope I will help you to learn. For now, it's not working good. So here we have a reaction actually, but I don't want to enter into this one before this one is not closed, because I want this one to be done with. And then we will enter into a deal for another currency pair. But in general, everything looks good. We have 40 seconds left. USD GPY got its own notification. Ooh. Oh, the price went back to the level finally. And from here we can get a retest. There was a demand zone, price jumped through, broke through, and now again it reached the level. What uncertain about that. GBP USD looked much more interesting, but we're still waiting for the first one. We have 10 seconds left. Don't you fucking dare to grow. You need to go down, down, down. You stop it. And the deal is closed in black. So Euro GPY closed in black. Tell me if you were doing the same trade. And Kotex, what the frick? I don't know if you can see it, but the deal has already been closed. And finally, Quotex reacted. $756. So we have $100 in plus, which is amazing. GBP USD, getting back to that one. Ooh. There's like some micro support level. So let's put another notification a little bit lower. And if it breaks through that one, it's going to be great and we will enter into a deal. And as I said, tell me if you are trading along with me and if your deal was closed in black as well. So here we kind of have a reaction on this level, but still do not think it's worth it. So let's look at the chat since we have some time. Tatiana wants new strategy. Why do you need a new one? I like the current one. Or are you talking about videos, not streams? Tell me about that. Alan, thank you, Coach Alice. You're not using OTC market. We can join you even we're not using Quotex. Yes, that's a good thing because I do not work with OTC. You can use any broker's platform. So another commentary, are you using stochastic indicator as a signal? No, I actually use it just as a confirmation. So we have USD GPY and USD CAD. Yeah. The price reached the level, and probably there's supposed to be a deal for an upward trend. So sorry about the stochastic. I use it sometimes as a signal, but for the most part I look at it only as like a confirmation, additional confirmation. I do not use it specifically just stochastic. I use multiple confirmations. If you watch any of my videos, you will see that I more often use at least 2 or 3 methods of confirming entry points. So for now, when the price is going to break through the trend line, then we will think about entering into a deal for an uptrend. And GBP USD, getting back to that one. So we would be closed in red at this point if we would enter into a deal back then, but for now it still haven't broke the level. And the price cannot go down for some reason, so we need some time for that. In general, it still looks like it's supposed to go down, so that was a good point for me to look at that currency pair. Let's move on to something else. So here, price breaks through, so we're gonna get rid of that because it's irrelevant. And what can we look? All right, now we can start from this pullback. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna put a trend line here. Yoink. Oh, fucking. Ooh. Tell me if you hate this little thing on Quotex, because it's irritating as heck. Okay, so here, no. Even with the trend line, the situation isn't obvious. So for now, I'm gonna miss this one. So let's wait for this currency pair to change. Maybe global downtrend is gonna continue, but for now, still have no idea from which point I need to enter. Maybe from this level? Still don't know yet, need some time. Euro and a dollar. We see head and shoulders pattern. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. And kind of price broke through that level. But it's risky. GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. Come to me, the signal is here, so we're entering into a deal for a downtrend using $50. Okay, let's go. So GBP USD. So thank you again for telling me about this currency pair. We waited for the drop. It's a bit too late for us to enter into a deal, but I think from this level, still gonna go down. 3-minute expiration time, $50 used from the balance, and the deal is opened to a downward trend. What do we have in chat? Sunday, thank you Alice for live streams. Much easier to understand your teaching with live teaching. Much appreciated, ma'am. You're so welcome. That's why I do this, to have more information, to see it in real lifetime and get more information just in general. And speaking of which, if you want to start learning how to trade, I not only have a channel on YouTube, I have a free course, free academy on Telegram. If you are still not there, I have a link to my Telegram under this stream, under any of my videos, and you can text me and get a completely free access to our academy and all the information there. Other comments. Alice, what is the lowest return you would trade with? Like 80%? Yep. Sometimes I do open deals with like 75% payout. It depends on the situation. But generally speaking, yeah. In this case, we are working with stream. For example, if I don't really have any other entry points, I would enter into like a 70-75 payout. But in real life, when I'm just working by myself and I have a lot of time to find entry points and analyze the charts, then of course, no. 80 and higher. So we have 1 minute left until this deal is closed. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Not a comment section, leave them in the chat. What is wrong with me? So in any case, while we still have a minute, let's look at other currency pairs. What the fuck is going on? Oh, the price is going back to the level. And from this level, we have a reaction. I'm actually interested in entering into a deal for an upward trend. We have a drop, a sudden drop. So it's a global trend for like a downward trend. So I don't want to work against the global trend. Bad idea. Always a bad idea to do that. So this deal, we have 20 seconds left and it looks chef's kiss amazing. So again, thank you for telling me about this currency pair, because this was amazing. See, that's also a good thing for like streaming, because you guys can also show me good entry points that you believe are good, and I can explain why they are good or bad. So this deal is closed in black. Thank you again. I hope your deal was also closed in black if you entered at the same time. So let's move on. I don't want to look at this one for now. I don't want to work against the global trend. So here price actually reached this level, and let's see how it's gonna react to it. So let's put a rectangle, my favorite, right here. We had impulse growth from that level before, and stochastic is actually in oversold area, and if this candlestick is gonna close just like that, so I'm gonna enter into a deal for a downward trend, even though stochastic doesn't show me a good signal. But as you can see, it's a weird situation. And that's one of the reasons why I do not work only with one style of confirmation, because as you can see, stochastic shows me one thing. The candlesticks are showing me a completely different story sometimes. So it's good to have both, at least at the same time, and make decision based on two of them. We have a dodgy candlestick right at the level. And in general, with the next candlestick, we will understand what's going to happen next. Oh, stochastic is changing. Let's get back to AUD GPY in a minute. USD CAD. We wanted to enter into a deal, but we lost the moment we would enter into that candlestick. But right here, we would be closed already in black. But it is what it is. We closed another deal in black, so which is that's amazing. I mean, another currency pair. What we have here, and right here we're gonna have a deal for a downward trend. British pound, Australian dollar, 3-minute expiration time, $50 used for a downward trend. And let me explain why. I think if you know how to analyze the chart, you already see the logic behind my moves, but let me explain better. This little thing. So we put it here. This is the resistance level, and see how many times it actually worked already. And we understand that the deal for a downward trend, oh, even before that, that's amazing. So in general, it looks amazing logically, but maybe, just maybe, I entered into a deal a bit too early. And I fucking think I did. You little bitch. So you want to tell me that this level worked around 10 times, and as soon as we want to enter into a deal, this one is going to grow? You little bitch. I expect the price to fall. You need to, guys, you need to expect the price to fall as well, because that's a bullshit. That's a frickery. It is what it is. It is what it is. So let me see what you are talking about, guys. So what we have. Oh yeah, Tatiana, you're talking about my videos. So when are we gonna have a new strategy? I believe next week, like Wednesday, we will have a new strategy. It's not something unbelievable, but it's really freaking interesting. So around Wednesday, maybe even earlier than that, you will see a new one. Patrick, got my profit for today. Alice, thanks a lot. Happy for you. That's great. Danny Collins, hello Alice. Can I use only price action strategy without indicators for confirmation? Yep, you can use price action, but then you need to use alternative methods to confirm. For example, candlestick patterns, why the hell not? Next one. Relaxing. I lost $5 yesterday, first 3 trades, but I'm sure that I lost 5 in a row. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm really sorry. It happens sometimes. I lose money as well, so it's just life. Cindy Lee. Isn't the market weird? Yeah, in general, it is like that. Market is behaving a bit weirder today, but market is always freaking weird. If you've seen our stream yesterday, you would see that it was also weird. So this one is closed in red, unfortunately, but I still believe in it, and I'm entering into another deal for the same chart. GBP AUD 3-minute expiration time. Next step of Martingale, $100 used for a downward trend, because the price millions of times reached that level and went down. So the previous deal was open somewhere here, and the price actually jumped up, but who the fuck cares? I don't. If you care, stop caring. So guys, speaking of free time, if you like this stream and you want to have even more streams, definitely you should like this stream. Like, if you look at the chat, you can see a little hearts. You can push him, because we have 2 minutes left to watch this deal to be closed. You need to spam the heart right there, and if we have enough hearts, I believe that this deal is going to be closed in black. That's a manipulation. And if this is your first time being on this channel, my name is Alice. Hello, I teach people how to trade. I show how I trade myself in real life time, and in almost all the videos that I film and post here, you can see me trading, you can see the knowledge, and of course we also have a little academy. But in any case, let's move on with our work for today. I'm gonna get rid of trend line. Everything worked just fine, but not for us because we missed the moment. AUD GBY. That's a good level. I forgot about that level. We could enter into a deal for an upward trend, but I don't like opening a couple of deals at the same time, so maybe we will enter here. I'm waiting for this bitch to be closed in black. I know that someone just didn't spam the heart in the chat. Your fault, not mine. I explained the situation to you. If you don't spam the heart, we're gonna lose. Of course, that's a joke, but what the fuck is going on? We enter into like a really good place at a really good moment. Drop your shit and stop misbehaving. Go down. Thank you. Go down. I would be a good mother. See, it's listening to me. I don't want to be cocky right now. But you need to close in black. We have 5 seconds left. 5 seconds left. And it's closed in black. I believed in you guys. We closed this one in black, which is amazing. But this is one of the examples of how you get really nervous when you're trading. So here we wanted to enter into a deal for an upward trend, and that's a good idea that we didn't. That's a good thing. The price broke through this level. Great. Let's look in the chat. Let me talk to you guys. Oh, jeez Louise. How many hearts? So many hearts. Oh my god. But yeah, thank you guys. It's real sweet. Patrick, do you have exact dates for going live? For now, I'm thinking about streaming every day of the week except for the weekend. But I'm just testing. I'm looking, and if you like it, then yeah, of course. Don't forget to like up the stream, because we also have a like here. The only thing you need to do, you need to subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell, and you will be notified when I'm live. So ethic. I'll talk to the chat to all the time, telling it to go the direction I want it to. Of course, if you don't freaking talk to the chart, it doesn't listen to you. I'd be a great mother. I don't need to yell, I don't need to shout, I just tell it what to do. Anywho, so the price actually went back to the level with global downtrend. So it's retesting right now. And we are expecting to enter into a deal for a downward trend. And we're gonna enter right here. So, currency pair, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, 3-minute expiration time, $50 for a downward trend. What we see that this level worked 2 times and the jump was aggressive, but reaching this level again, the price broke through it, after which we have a little retest, and we are expecting that the level that we had was support, and now it's going to be a resistance, and the price is gonna drop. And for now, you spam the heart, try to spam a like button. This time, try to spam a like button. And for me, I'm gonna move on to some other places. Yeah, nothing interesting. Euro GBP. What's going on with you? Uncertain? Uncertainty is the word of today. Price reached this level, and it seems like, oh yeah, we looked at this chart. There is a global downtrend, and we wanted to enter into a deal for a downward trend. And I think maybe right now this level is that point for us to enter into a deal. So here the price met the support, which now could work as, of course, not the support, so I don't even have time to talk. I'm entering into a deal for a downward trend on a currency pair, United States dollar and Japanese yen. 3-minute expiration time, $50 used on a global trend. We see that the price dropped, reached that level back again, which we kind of had previously with a pullback, and from this level entered into a deal for a downward trend. I hate entering deals, 2 deals at the same time. And Stochastic actually also shows us the signal for a downward trend. So let's hope. So AUD, GPY, 40 seconds left. Not good, not bad. Quite okay. I don't like the shadow of this candlestick, but it's okay. We have 30 seconds left until this deal is closed. Okay, guys, so who is in the chat right now? Tell me from which country you are watching the video. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Sorry, I have some technical difficulties. That's why I'm acting all weird. We have 5 seconds left. All right. Looking good. Yeah, the deal is closing black. The deal is closing black. USDGPY also going good. No. Dancing session. So let me look at the chat. Doody. Love the stream. Thank you, Patrick. Chris, I like the progress bar in currency pairs. On pocket option, rating or losing, especially the normal trade active. Yeah, I do agree. It's a really useful thing, actually. From Somali. Hello. Netherlands, Nigeria, South Africa, Lithuania. Dark side of the moon. That's great, Ethic. Amazing. How's it going there? How's trading on the dark side of the moon? Anywho, so let's see what's going on right now. So how long have we been streaming? For like around 50 minutes. We will finish this deal. Maybe I'll find another entry point. Just maybe. Here, we will definitely get money. So we're going to be around $230 in plus if this one is going to be closed in black. And I think in general we might finish on this good note so we don't lose the money. Tell me, what do you think? Should I enter into one more, at least one more deal? Or if not, then don't even say anything if not. Don't tell me to end the stream. I can decide for myself. Just joking. And of course, leave a like if you believe that we should continue. Leave a like under the stream. So we got the money. We have $268 in profit, and I think I would probably finish, but if I find a good entry point, maybe. Today, awesome session. Yes, I do agree. One more. Okay, let's do one more. Just for you, just for you. You are the only one who said one more, so let's do one more. If everything goes great, you need to know when to stop. But just for you, I'm gonna continue. So, what the hell? What the hell? We had a level, not a great one. The price went back to it, and Stochastic also gives us the signal. So this is our one more. Euro GBP, a deal for a downward trend, 3 minutes expiration time, $50 used on the deal. We generally see a quite good downtrend. I believe that the price is going to go down, but we need to understand in which point it's going to go down. And we found it because we see that this level worked as support 2 times, and from here potentially this is going to work as a resistance. So for now, again, tell me who is in the chat right now who is not a student of our beautiful academy. You can actually text me on my Telegram, the link to which is, as always, under the stream and under each video on my channel, and you can become a student of their academy completely for free, getting the support from me and the supervisor, and of course get a lot of different perks that we have in the academy. So don't miss your chance. Don't miss your chance to learn. Let's look at the chat. Let's look at the chat. And I'm really sorry if I miss your message. I'm trying to look at every single one of those, but sometimes I'm just too busy with the chart. So if I missed your message, don't get upset. Just text again and I will read it. Recently subscribed to you. You are awesome. Oh, thank you. That's so nice. You're the best. Oh, thank you again. Oh my God. You live streams regularly. This is basically my second official stream, and I'm planning to do it more often and regularly. She just started this week. Yeah, that's right, Ethic. Good money, kudos. Oh yeah, oh no, we made good money today. We have 1 minute left until this deal is gonna be closed, which is amazing. So, guys, tell me, how was the stream for today? Because if this one is going to be closed in black, we have 44 seconds left, around $300 and something in profit. What do you think? What do you think? And if you actually enter into this deal together with me, you also going to get the money because it looks amazing. It looks amazing. I think today's session was quite good. I got some suggestions from you. I explained a lot. That's amazing. But speaking of streams, I do not work with OTC pairs, meaning that tomorrow and on Sunday, I'm not working. So on Monday, I'm going to work. Next day, meaning streaming. I'm going to stream after Monday and post a video probably Wednesday. Same thing. So don't waste your time on the weekend. Get all the strategies that you know tested on backtesting at least. So, great session for today, $312.50 today, much more than yesterday. And give me 1 second, I will actually do one little thing. I'm gonna hide myself for a second, just for a second, and don't be scared. I'm still here. I'm still talking. I'm gonna show you some analytic stats but I do not want to show you my email. And now I am back. So, and let's see what we have. In general, of course, we are interesting for today's. Oh, give me 1 second. We only had 6 deals? No, we had 10 trades. We have 6 of them profitables. And where is the profit? Where's the profit? Oh, yeah, $268. Oh, gee. Oh, gee. Oh, gee, Louis. Anywho, well, whoopsie doopsie. You saw everything that I didn't want you to see, but it's okay. It's okay. Mishaps happen. We need today, stats for today again. So, nothing have been updated for now, but it is what it is. So thank you so much everyone for being on the stream. Thank you for likes, for being active in the chat, and I will see you on Monday on the next stream.